Okay, let's look at another method in solving quadratic problems. We've dealt with completing the square method and the general formula method. We are looking at factorization method today. To factorize a quadratic problem is simply expressing the quadratic problem as a product of two linear factors or binomials. So if we want to solve any quadratic problem using this method, which is called the factorization method, it means we are to express that quadratic equation as a product of two linear factors. So if you have ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we should be able to express this particular equation in the form x plus h into x plus t is equal to 0, where h and t are the roots or solutions of that quadratic problem. So h and t are the solution of that quadratic problem. So with this, we are going to understand or see that x plus h will be equal to 0 and x plus t will also be equal to 0. And that will take us to a principle known as the AB is equal to 0 principle. This principle states that if AB is equal to 0, then A alone is equal to 0 and B alone is equal to 0. So if we have these functions given to us, x plus h into x plus t is equal to 0, and I'm saying that from the principle AB is equal to 0, x plus h, so this happens to be the first bracket, which is A, and this is B. A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0. So x plus t plus h will be equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus h. X plus t is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus t. So these are the roots of the quadratic problem. So in our next other class, we shall be dealing with real quadratic problems that will help us solve to arrive at all answers or natural numbers as answers. But for now, you should understand that the principle states that if AB is equal to 0, then A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 0. So if we have a problem like x plus 4 into x minus 2 is equal to 0, with the principle of AB is equal to 0, I'll be saying x plus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 4. X minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 2. So the values of x are minus 4 or 2. So we'll be solving more problems in our next other class. Thank you.